Hey there, it's Brooke with WTI. I'm going to introduce you to your new favorite kitchen tools that have nothing to do with cooking. This RAK multi-tool pen set has been so great for my kitchen drawer. I don't have to have a bunch of screwdrivers and pens and lights and everything in there because these pens do it all. My favorite part is that there's a Phillips and Flathead screwdriver inside one of these pens. Another thing that I really love is that they have this ruler on here. I can't tell you how many times I've been trying to buy something off the internet and I need to measure how big it's going to be, and I cannot find a ruler or my husband's tape measure anywhere. But I just keep these in my kitchen drawer and I know right where they are. Also, another good thing that I like to have around my kitchen is a bottle opener, of course. The pen writes nice and smoothly, and it even comes with a refill for both pens. And the flashlight is super strong, so it's perfect when my son throws stuff under the counters so we can find it. Whether you keep them in your kitchen, in your tool belt, or in your purse, this RAK multi-tool set is for everyone, and that's my point of view.